How to buy Spotify Premium with Google Play gift card. Now, the very first thing that you have to do is, of course, to redeem your unique code with your Google Play gift card. Now, just simply open up your Google Play Store, and at the top right portion of your screen, you should be able to tap on your profile. In here, just go directly to Payments and Subscriptions, and at the very bottom part of this field, you should be able to see Redeem Code. Now, this is where you'll have to enter your unique code, or you could also scan your gift card. Now, if you have successfully redeemed your gift card, what you want to do next is to open Spotify app and just make sure that you already logged into your account. And here, just go directly to the Premium tab, left side of Create tab, and in here, just go ahead and just tap on the specific option in which your Google Play gift card is offering you, or even tap on Get Started. And then here, you only have two options, either on Spotify or Google Play. Let's tap on Google Play and then just go ahead and continue with Google Play on whatever your gift card is offering. And that's how you eventually pay or buy Spotify Premium with Google Play gift card.